Have you noticed the influential speakers while speaking? How do they make their speeches so attractive? How do they make it easy for people to understand complex things? Well, they use a lot of examples in their speeches that people can relate to. Whether you're a student, a professional, or simply someone eager to improve your communication skills, learning to integrate examples into your sentences is the key. But this video isn't about these examples. It's about the keywords that you should use before introducing these examples. These small but powerful phrases can transform your speech, making it richer and more impressive. Familiarize yourself with these important phrases that can beautifully introduce the examples in your speeches and can make it so impressive.
For instance,
we've been improving our marketing to boost engagement. For instance, last year's campaign increased our traffic by 20%.
Such as,
this city is known for its diverse food, such as Italian, Thai, and Mexican restaurants.
Let's consider.
Many economic theories apply to global issues. Let's consider the impact of Keynesian economics on fiscal policy.
Take the case of,
many companies lead through innovation. Take the case of Apple and its unique tech advances.
To give you an idea,
our new device has exciting features. To give you an idea, it charges fully in just 15 minutes.
Imagine.
Cutting costs is the key. Imagine if we automated more processes.
Look at this.
Public opinion strongly supports us. Look at this survey, showing a 60% approval rating.
Consider this.
Early childhood education is crucial. Consider this. Studies show it leads to better adult outcomes.
Suppose that
we increase our budget, how much more could we achieve?
To illustrate.
Using this method resulted in a 30% decrease in errors.
Let's do a memory exercise. I will show you all the examples one by one. Simply identify the key word in each sentence within 3 seconds. Subscribe and practice daily with the Speak With Me videos for naturally improving the fluency.